Hello and welcome to this second video of this series where I learned how to weld by myself in my garage. In the last video we've seen which equipment I bought to start off in that hobby. In this video we're doing a first project in which I want to build a platform to weld on without burning my wood work surface. I have four 36-inch flat bar pieces that I need to weld together, cut and weld to make a surface. Now, I could just do a square and fit perfectly the zone I want to cover on my workbench, but I wouldn't have enough to reinforce in the middle of the platform. So I need to figure out what good ratio I can get with those four pieces. I was thinking of maybe doing 18 inches by 18 inches and put two pieces in the middle. That would give me two other 18-inch pieces, so I would actually have one piece left. So here's what I'm thinking of doing. I'll have 18 inches of flat bar here, the same thing here. Same thing here. Same thing here, and then two pieces in the middle to reinforce it and be able to lay some metal bars flat here. I think it will be pretty small, but for now, that's what it's going to be. Alright, so I'm going to put this aside here. Have my metal pieces here. Measure them, make sure we don't do a boo-boo. So they are 36 inches, maybe one 32-inch extra. So I'm gonna cut them, and if I need to trim them, then I'll just will. So I need to make a mark here at 18 inches. Okay, so now obviously here the goal is not to cut it just yet. I just want to make sure I'm straight here. Okay, got my mark done. We're ready to cut. Safety glasses. Now I don't want the wire to be able to come on this side. And maybe gloves. Just switch around. There. First cut, ever with an angle grinder. So the gloves were just for the actually. And some people say you shouldn't use gloves with rotary tools, it can be dangerous indeed. I'm going to have to clean up this part here because I didn't do a clean cut. The other part now I think it's pretty fine, except it's not straight. So they can just grind a bit more to make it straight. Okay, so I just cleaned up this side here a bit. Cleaned up my surface to prepare it for the weld. Maybe pretty hot, so just flip it over, I'll do the same thing. Now I'm starting to realize maybe flat bar wood wasn't the best option for me to start with. Maybe I should have gone with tube just because it will hold itself. I'll see how it goes with the magnets. what I want to do is should have them like this at a 90-degree angle. Now what I'm going to try and do is actually spot weld it here and here, make sure it's square, then weld it. And once I got a side weld here, I can move it around and it shouldn't move all that much. But if it's square here, it's going to be a good start. Just stop moving it because every time I move it, everything else moves. Let me try and give it a second magnet here. Maybe that will solve my issues. I'm just going to check my settings on the machine here. So I'm welding 1/8 inch. They're saying 7 for wire speed. Heat setting is max in 2. So we're going to try with that. Let's see how it goes. It's good. I'm going to put my ground clamp first. Yeah. That doesn't work. Here, I think maybe if I come here, I'll be able to clamp it without messing up everything. Yay! Okay. So, first time welding. Let's see how it goes. Okay, so I have my wire coming out about the right length, which is, from what I've seen, 3/8 of an inch. Oops. Now, the pieces, they hold together, but looks like there's a lot of balls, some discoloration, so yeah. I'm so nervous, my hands are shaking. That's not good. Okay, let's see if it's square. It looks square, at least. But I know that with heat, sometimes metal can warp. So I was talking about the coat. Doesn't look like I got any spatter on my jacket here. So I don't know, maybe you don't need a jacket. We'll see. It was just my first one, so obviously it's not a good indicator. Now I have, the mask is auto dimming, so I can see clear now. As soon as the first part hits, I'm blind, and then I can see this part again. So yeah, there's that. Right there. Forget the clamp. First. Like this. Remember, folks, Works better when it switches out. Okay, so I wasn't welding. I wasn't welding in the corner at the beginning. I was, say, 1/4 inch too high. Here, just grab a brush. We'll see how it went. Okay. Let's see what we can do with the angle grinder instead.